Today we're going to make a lollipop stick aeroplane. To do this, you will need colourful lollipop sticks, matchsticks, pom-poms with a tube in the centre, pipe cleaners, glue dots or craft glue. To start, we're going to make a pom-pom propeller for your aeroplane. To do this, take a piece of pipe cleaner, approximately 6 centimetres long, and wrap it around your matchstick in the centre. Give it a quick twist to secure it, and then feed your loose ends through the centre of your pom-pom. Then set this to one side while you make the body of your aeroplane. To make the body of your aeroplane, take 2 lollipop sticks and we're going to glue one on top of the other. To do this, I'm going to use glue dots for speed, but you can use craft glue if you prefer. If you do choose to use craft glue, just remember to give it a little bit of extra drying time to make sure that the lollipop sticks are glued securely. So just pop one on top of the other and repeat this so that you have 2 sets. On the end of each pair of lollipop sticks, place some glue right on the end. And then take your pom-pom propeller and place that at one end with the propeller sticking out and sandwich it between both sets of lollipop sticks. At the other end, take a small piece of lollipop stick, this piece is about 3 centimetres long, and sandwich it again at the end. You should then have a V shape like this. Next, we're going to make the wings for your aeroplane, and to do this, take 3 lollipop sticks. Along one, place a line of glue. And then lay 2 lollipop sticks on top, meeting in the centre. And repeat this so that you have 2 sets of wings ready to go. Turn them over, and on the underneath, add 2 dots of glue. And then attach these to the top and bottom of the body of your plane. Secure those in place, and there you have a brightly coloured lollipop stick aeroplane. Happy crafting!